See a kestrel there, or a hawk, and they certainly hunt more than birds of prey on the Royal Sandringham estate, Kiln Fields. Prince Harry, Wayne cousins were, when sparrowhawks or some kinds of birds of prey, two of them were shot on the Royal Sandringham estate. Prince Harry and Van cousins were questioned over it. You can see the story if you Google it. They certainly hunt more than birds of prey on the Royal Sandringham estate, Kiln Fields. Human hunting parties, Wolverton Wood Farm Cottage, SS Sandringham 666, Wolf Pack. Some people like their blood sport, human hunting parties. And like I say, there have been reports in the UK, sex trafficked children, young girls being hunted, abused, their organs eaten, drinking their blood full of adrenaline, dissolved in acid, Freemason SS, satanic ritual abuse and sacrifice. And like I say, plenty of high crimes. All the child abuse that took place in children's homes throughout the UK and Jersey, all covered up. 114 missing files, at the Home Office, the big paedophile ring in the Fred Westminster, where some MPs are fiddling children as well as their expenses and having Christmas parties. Mason SS, VIPs, Sandringham Estate, guests, eyes wide shut parties. And the thing is, with the Freemason Fraternal, the Mason SS 661, Evergreen Toxic Crown Corporation, London firm, they're all in it. And there was a woman who was on Winfrey Oprah, and she was saying that my parents were pillars of the community. They were counsellors by day, but in these big satanic cults that they were in, full of judges, teachers, lawyers, politicians, other counsellors, when they put their black cloaks on, they were abusing and sacrificing children and babies and eating them. So pillars of the community by day, and something very different after dark, hybrid hosts, when they put on their black cloaks. And like I say, they'll all cover it all up, plenty of high crimes, because they're all in Lucifer's Freemason Fraternal, the real Black Wizards Club. Anyhow, God bless and take care.